Hi, y'all. 3 more weeks left in the term and 3 more small assignments. Not worth very much in terms of points, but for those of you who've been asking me about extra credit, this is a way to raise your grade by more than a few points. So anyway, week 9, Thanksgiving week. I'm sorry, I do have an assignment this week because we are in session and the assignment is not due until Sunday. I suggest you probably do it earlier. Anyway, it's a multimodal assignment. I explain it here on Moodle, but what I want you to do is to take your topic, your thesis from your research paper and translate it into a different format. Draw me a picture, write me a story, write a letter to the editor, do a PowerPoint presentation. I have given you many examples here. Then week 10, the week after Thanksgiving, I'm asking you to do a reflection for me on your use of social media. We've been talking about social media since September, for heaven's sakes. And we've been looking at it from all sorts of different angles. And now with the pandemic, it has changed its role in our lives, I think, for all of us. Anyway, I'm asking you to write me a small reflection on how social media fits into your life. I've given you lots and lots of different things you might want to look at. You might particularly enjoy the Portlandia ones, but doesn't matter. The reflection is due Friday of that week. And then the last week of classes, finals week, we do not have a finals for this course, but what we do have is a self-evaluation that will be due on Wednesday. This is the last writing course that many of you will ever take, so I want to know what you're going to do, what you're going to do next to make your writing improve. We all need to constantly improve your writing. You cannot advance in any career without writing skills. What are you going to do? I'm just asking you. Anyway, 3 weeks will be finished. Let me know if you need any help. Bye for now.